Welcome, fellow travelers of the cosmos. Today we embark on a journey to explore the life and legacy of a luminous mind, Ibn Sina, known in the West as Avicenna. Born in 980 CE, this remarkable polymath illuminated the world with his brilliance. His contributions to medicine, philosophy, and science continue to inspire us, even centuries later. Ibn Sina's brilliance shone brightly across numerous fields of study. He was a true polymath, a term we reserve for those rare individuals whose intellect knows no bounds. His insatiable curiosity led him to explore the vast expanse of human knowledge, leaving an indelible mark on each field he touched. Join me as we delve into the life and achievements of this extraordinary figure who forever changed the course of history. Ibn Sina's impact extends far beyond the annals of history books. His ideas continue to resonate in the modern world, shaping our understanding of medicine, science, and the very nature of knowledge itself. He reminds us that the pursuit of wisdom is a timeless endeavor, one that transcends cultural and temporal boundaries. Prepare to be inspired by the story of a man who dared to push the boundaries of human understanding. Ibn Sina's legacy serves as a beacon, guiding us toward a brighter future illuminated by the power of knowledge and the boundless potential of the human mind. Ibn Sina was born in Bukhara, present-day Uzbekistan, a city renowned for its rich intellectual heritage. Even as a young boy, his extraordinary memory and aptitude for learning were evident. By the age of 10, he had memorized the entire Quran, a testament to his remarkable intellect. His father, a respected scholar himself, recognized his son's exceptional abilities and provided him with the finest education available. Ibn Sina delved into the works of Greek philosophers like Aristotle, whose ideas would profoundly influence his own thinking. He immersed himself in mathematics, astronomy, and medicine, mastering each subject with astonishing speed. At the tender age of 16, Ibn Sina's reputation as a medical prodigy began to spread. He successfully treated a local ruler, earning recognition for his skills. This marked the beginning of his illustrious medical career, one that would see him rise to become the most celebrated physician of his time. Ibn Sina's life was a testament to the power of dedication, perseverance, and a relentless thirst for knowledge. He embodied the spirit of the Islamic Golden Age, a period of unparalleled intellectual flourishing. His story serves as an inspiration to us all, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end. Section 3.